Assalamu alaikum. Our project gyroscope based real time air mouse based on the ESP-32. Here is that whole mouse setup, and as you can see, there is an MPU 6050 gyroscope module, and this is a ESP-32, and there are 4 push buttons, and there are some connections. Just a simple setup to start my ESP-32 based and gyroscope based air mouse. So we will try to connect our computer fully wirelessly and with Bluetooth. So let's dive into the Bluetooth and devices of my PC and add device as add device, then Bluetooth, and we are trying to find the Bluetooth air mouse. And yes, after some time we got the ESP-32 air mouse. We will connect it. Okay, we will try. I hope this is connected. Yes, our device is ready to go. And then I have done this cursor movement with my touchpad, but now I am fully detached with my laptop. And as you can see, I am fully detached with my laptop, and here is my ESP-32 based air mouse, so which is connected with uh, power bank, and which is giving power to this ESP-32 just to power the ESP-32, as we have uploaded the code earlier. So now we will try to have the cursor movement. As you can see, we are trying to move our cursor, as you can see. Yes, okay, now the cursor movement is going on. And also we can do the left click and right click here. The upper button is for right click, and this button is for left click. So we just go for left click and minimize the window, and go to a website. Here is a website for it. Then we can scroll down. For this scroll down button, we are using this fourth button, and as we keep scrolling, or we can just push it down, or just keeping it pushed, then it goes down. If we go closely, see, you can see. And now we want to go up. That's why we are pressing this third one. So this is going up, or I can just put it pressed. Okay, then I want to go to this block section by pressing the left click, and this is left. After clicking left with, and as you can see, I have no connection with my laptop. So just connected with this air mouse via Bluetooth. And now we want to reload this whole page by right clicking and reload. For reloading, we want to click the left, which is this button, and thus it goes. Okay, and we can also use the left click, and any kind of websites or any kind of pages can be scrolled with this. We can also use any kind of functionalities of any browser, or any PDFs, or any kind of files. And just like any mouse. It is floating, as you can see, this is floating, so we are calling it air mouse. And also the Bluetooth low energy is used here, so this is BLE mouse, as also said. And again we can go to the settings, and thus our simple setup of DIY mouse can be used. And another fun thing is we are as the response time is so good. And as you can see, and this is for real time, and which is done by this tiny MPU 6050 gyroscope module, which is very much handy to use, and just with some simple connections. And then I can go to the browser section again, and you can see our OQI simulation for our project. And as you can see, for OQI we have to drag, we have to click and drag. So we are clicking it and keeping it clicked and drag. We can just drag. So our code is also left click and drag enabled, which is very good to give a feel of the real mouse. And this is the whole thing we can use for our air mouse, just with a simple Bluetooth connection. And in the next section you will also see that we will connect we will connect our mouse with the TV, which is also connected with Bluetooth. So for that we are heading to the next section.